imagine there was a link. It works like this. Every employee, old and new, sales admins, clerks, janitors, everyone gets a link. The program encourages full workforce participation, receives their own personalized link, goes on the signature line area that they would put on all company emails that they send. They can also add the link to their own personal email, send out emails to family and friends outside of business. The link takes you to the company's official affiliate page. Affiliate marketing is direct marketing that produces a referral. I believe one of the best ways for the company to partner with the customer's experience is for the customer to partner with the company. For this example, we will use a sales representative who sends an email to a lead. The lead sees the link and clicks on it, which goes to the company's official affiliate page. It has a sign-up form to be filled out by the new affiliate. Once the affiliate is signed up, they get emailed their own unique link that they can attach to any of their emails. The lead emails an old friend from college. Old friend clicks on the lead's unique link and goes to the company's affiliate page, just like the lead did, and signs up as an affiliate too. Old friend is now permanently connected to the lead, the person who sent him the affiliate link, and the employee who started the chain of email connections, as long as that employee remains an employee. Old friend emails his sister. She sees the link and signs up at the company's affiliate page. Sister is connected to old friend and the employee who started the chain of affiliate emails. Later, sister buys a house from the company. When the house is funded, old friend would get an affiliate fee, and the sales representative, employee, who started the whole chain of events, would get an affiliate bonus. Every time an affiliate buys a home from the company, 2 people get affiliate income: the affiliate who referred them to the company and the employee who initiated the affiliate chain of emails. Think about it. Employees know family and friends all over the country, but they don't pursue them to buy from the company because of geographic distances and/or the lack of specific programs that allow them to get paid to help other people buy a house outside of their own home center. The same basic principle of reward applies for customers. They might think of local home center, but it's never crossed their minds to refer people on the other side of the country. With an affiliate program, they can and they will be motivated to do it.